Hi, Nicole here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is all about brand photography and more specifically the 3 types of photos that I commonly capture during a brand session. All right, let's get started. So when you hire a brand photographer, you're really looking for someone that is going to capture images to represent you and your brand and your story. So the first category of images is an environmental portrait. Now, this is pretty straightforward, but we want a photo of you in your workspace where you get creative, where you create new products, services. It could be a brick and mortar store, it could be your home office, it could be an office off-site, where you work. It's a great window into who you are in your workspace. We'll love to see that kind of behind the scenes view in an environmental portrait. Okay, the second type of image that I love to capture is the action process shot. Now, especially if you're a product-based business, this is really where we show what makes you unique as a business and brand. It could be the materials that you use, the tools, your actual process, and I love capturing images in this category. This is where we really get into details and hand shots, overhead images, and again, we can kind of get that behind the scenes look here, which we all know our communities and audiences love, and they really ask a lot of questions and engage with that type of content. So action process is definitely on my photo shoot list when capturing brand stories. Okay, the third category is product and service. Now, based on your business model, if you're a service base, this may involve more workspace images with your type of paperwork on the workspace, your laptop. Maybe you work at a lot of cafes, so it'd be set up there. If you have a home office, maybe you have a whole system in place. Really hone into that service piece. You could meet with clients and maybe we can set up a scenario where you're with another individual to kind of show that interaction. For product-based businesses, this could fall into 2 different categories. You can have your still images of your products. We could also capture lifestyle images with people using your products. So there's a lot of fun and play in that third category. Okay, I hope you thought this was helpful. Remember, your brand session and working with a brand photographer, you're capturing your unique story. So you want to make sure that it's in those categories, you're really representing your brand and your business. You can use these images on your website, social media, print media, and have a consistent view and look. So if you are looking to either hire a brand photographer, if you're a brand photographer, or if you're trying to do this right now on your own, I wanted to share these 3 categories: environmental portraits, action process, and product service, to provide some inspiration on your next brand session, or if you're trying to capture this at home, so you can see what types of images will be impactful for your brand and business growth. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. Bye.